Hello and welcome, I'm your CodeMonkey. So I've been using Unity for over a decade at this point. It has allowed me to be a professional indie game dev with several games published on Steam. Those games have made over $1 million. And I also have this channel where I've made over 800 videos over the past 8 years teaching Unity game development. But the one thing that always annoyed me about Unity is how it can't do literally everything itself. I can use Unity to build up my worlds and set up all my scenes. But then if I want to write some code, I have to go into a separate program. I have to go into Visual Studio to actually write it. Then if I want to do 3D modeling, I have to go into yet another separate program. I have to go into Blender and model everything here. And if I want to draw something, I have to go into yet another program, something like Photoshop, and I can draw over here. So basically, I have to use a dozen other programs to make games. I can't use just Unity. So that's pretty annoying. What if you could do all of this inside just one single program? Well, it turns out you can, and that magical program is simply called Notepad. This one can do it all. I can make games, I can write code, I can make 3D models, I can make textures, everything works over here. For example, a scene view. So like this, here I've got a massive hierarchy, I've got an insane amount of stuff. It is really tricky to find things over here and then have to move them around. That is a very annoying process. Whereas here, I have it open in Notepad. And yep, everything is nice and readable. It is super easy to read all of this and understand it. For example, if I want to move an object, I just go here, I find local position, and I move this from 1.38 to 2.00. And if that's it, I just move that object. Super simple, super easy. Doesn't this actually seem much easier than going through that massive, nasty hierarchy? And for my code, normally I'd use Visual Studio. But again, why would I use a different program when I can simply just use Notepad? Now, some people, some doubters might say, oh, Visual Studio is actually helpful. It actually has all these colors, it actually has autocomplete. So it has a bunch of extra features that makes it easy to write code. And for those arguments, I would really just say that really just sounds like a skill issue. If you know how to write code, then you don't need all of those things. And for 3D modeling, normally I would do it in something like Blender. So over here it has all kinds of tools, but again, it's not a separate program, so that's annoying. Instead, thankfully, something that exists is the OBJ file format. And this one, thankfully, it is basically 100% text-based. We can write all the vertices, all the texture coordinates, the vertex normals, all of those things. So there's no need for a complex program like Blender, we can really just use text. So here's a nice model, and I can see all the various vertices. So if I want, for example, move this one a little bit to the right. So for example, over here, I just modify this one to this one. There you go, I've just modified a vertex and model, and the final result is gonna look awesome. Or what about textures? Again, normally I would use a separate program, something like this, something like Photoshop, where I can paint and draw around, it's very visual. That sounds good, but it's actually very annoying. So again, it would be really nice to be able to do it all in just one program. And thankfully we can do that. We actually have the SVG file format. Here it is, and again, it's super simple. I've just got all of these various points, so if I want to move them to the right, there you go, I've just moved it. So I can very easily draw basically anything I can imagine right here. Again, all of this using the one exact same program. There's no need to keep a dozen different programs installed, no need to occupy a ton of space on your hard drive, just one program, just the simplest program of all, and everything works. So yep, this is really awesome. With this, I can basically write a scene in Notepad, so I can write a whole bunch of stuff. So here I'm writing just a bunch of really simple code. Again, it might look a little bit complex, but it's actually super easy. It only took me a few minutes to understand how this format works, and now I can write all this pretty fast, pretty quickly. Then for the code, again, same thing. I really just write on the exact same program, and here it is, super simple. I just write the code. I know exactly what I want to do, so I really just write very quickly. And thankfully, now that I'm not even using Visual Studio, I don't have all those colors to keep me confused, keep me busy. Nope, I can really just write code, write the text perfectly one by one. And for my 3D models, again, very simple. I just follow the OBJ file format, just write down all the vertices, then all the texture connections, and yep, everything works out very easy. It's a very straightforward format, so this one was even easier to learn. I can easily just picture in my head what exactly I'm writing, where are all the vertices that I'm positioning, so yeah, super easy. And for the textures, really same thing. I'm just writing basically an SVG file format, so I really just write all the points, the size of it, I write all the colors, and yep, everything is super easy. Again, in my mind, I'm already picturing exactly what I'm drawing here, so yep, super easy, super nice. So yep, all I have to do is put all this together and I have a complete game. Thankfully, in a recent update, Notepad actually had this nice little run button. So if I click on this, yep, there you go, here's my game running inside Notepad. In this case, in just about 5 minutes, I made a nice little city builder game, so I can click to place down a bunch of houses. I can place all kinds of buildings, power plants, and so on. And yep, everything works really nice. And all of this built with just one program, all just using Notepad and nothing else. This really is so easy, it's almost scary. And since it's Notepad, obviously this runs on literally anything. Whereas on Unity or Unreal or those quote-unquote proper game engines, usually you need a pretty beefy PC. Whereas over here, this will run on literally anything. So basically, the barrier for making games has never been lower, and this is definitely what I will be using myself to make all my games in the future. So no more Unity, no more Unreal, no more Godot, none of that. All of those programs are now useless now that we have Notepad. So go ahead, launch Notepad yourself, and start making some awesome games. Wait a minute, what day is it today? Oh, well that makes a lot of sense.